Yeah, that's a nice backpack, Jelana. I like it. Oy, Maricar, si Jane ba bigyan ng... yes. Okay, sandali.
Jelana,
Uh,
go with me in the four-wheeler and get your sisters?
are you going now? I wanna come.
I'm gonna take the four-wheeler down.
Are you going now?
Side by side, the four-wheeler, yeah.
Oh, so side by side would be
Wanna do
nice.
it side by side?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll back them up.
Okay. We'll bring our... Oh. Oh, thank you. Sunduin natin yung kambal. Oo, may jacket na si Jane.
That purple phone.
MJ. Ako.
You do this.
Yeah, same as your clothes. Purple phone.
Yeah. What is that, Daddy John?
Yeah, ate, don't give it to me.
That new phone?
No, the case.
Oh.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah, I like it now.
Okay, let's...
Okay. Who with the daddy here? With the phone here. I like to do this.
Okay. Oh. Nag-back to school na rin ba kayo? Back to school na rin kayo dyan sa Pilipinas, no? Whoa. Oh, wow. That's a good idea. Whoa. Oh, let's go outside, Gilana. Let's go get the sun. Let's go get some sun. Ayun. Diyos me, pumasok pa ako. Kaka-opera lang. Ayun, pag nawala ako ng signal, babalik din ang signal. Diyan lang kayo. Sunduin natin yung kambal. Sa school bus. Ayun, nilalabas yung mga four-wheeler. Let's go see. Maybe, Jelana, next time you can drive the small four-wheeler so your daddy can drive the big four-wheeler.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
Hey, hey, Mom.
Yeah.
Mom.
Yes.
You only a little bit off, right?
No, you can drive the four-wheeler easily.
No, I kind of go away today.
You can drive now.
We won't.
Jelana, come now. Okay, come on.
Oh, don't lose that one. Oh, it turned out, man, we need
I know.
a whole month of this.
No, you cannot sit there. Sit there in the
rains
middle.
are coming.
No, 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 no. No. Okay.
Jewel, that's
Okay.
Can you notice the tint on the windows?
Huh?
The tint on my windows, same as the back.
Oh, really?
I'll show you the light. He really did a really nice job.
Oh, okay.
He does a good job. You can't even tell it's there. I was worried it's going to stick